Yo, what's going on, everybody, man? It's your boy Max Winning. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Yo, it's Monday. It's about 7:30. Had my super good friend Chuck come out with his 2018 Nissan GTR, 565 horsepower, all-wheel drive, black on black, T37s, 12-inch fitment in the rear, guys. It's beefy. It looks great. This guy's not playing around. Shout out Low Life Gang. You know he runs that YouTube channel, guys. Go check him out. Cards up top. Guys, so he came in, had a little incident, had to get a different windshield put on the car, so we're coming back for the re-tint and just touching the car up on the tint side. It looks great. Check it out. Got this sheet, but it's like, it's like absorbent microfiber material, so it's made to go inside of a dash and soak up any excess water. And customers first, safety first.
So what do you do for the excess material or what is left over from the previous tint on the window? Or will that affect the tint when it lays?
No, it's gonna have to be all taken off. So I'm gonna start the process now and going over all with a knife and kind of cleaning it all off. And so this will have to be cleaned prior. Just kind of get everything ready right now for that process. Alright guys, so here we have it. So we're doing his window. Something hit it, watch ring, sometimes seat buckle might tap it and give it a little nick.
Broad's purse.
So we are replacing this window, putting fresh tint on it. 5% full ceramic, the very best of the best. This man does not play around.
What are the pros and cons? Well, what are the pros for ceramic versus other tint?
It's really meant for heat rejection. So you guys have ever seen a building or a skyscraper with tint on it, it's because they want to insulate their building, keep their heat in, and keep their air conditioning in the summertime. So that's what this film is made for. So they actually advanced technology enough to make it suitable for automotive use, to where the film won't block any signals of any antennas. And here we are, very best of the best, getting redone. This baby will be brand new in about 10 minutes. Guys, so here we have a technique we use when we do windshields. A lot of the times we will roll this up. I already pre-peeled the liner, so then when it rolls up, it'll stick onto its own self and it'll peel off, and the liner will peel off, leaving the tint inside of the glass inside the car. Good technique. Give you a really, really clean finish. You know, you're not jumbling the tint around, you're not out in the environment with it, you're rolling it up and unrolling it inside the car, right where it's gonna go. So it's best technique by the best, you know. Alright guys, it's a wrap, man. It's 9:30, got it done for him. So we hit this man off with 20% full ceramic on the whole windshield, give it that real closed off look, really picture perfect. Also went back, we did his door with a 5% ceramic to match the rest of the vehicle. So he has 5 all the way around and 20% on the windshield. Like, he really likes his privacy. That's what we do for him here. Alright guys, check it out.